recipes as much as I do. I'm sure you'll enjoy cooking and eating these recipes as much as I do. You'll find other tasty recipes in your cookbook. And I would also like to invite you to join our special Sharp Microwave Owners Club. Just send in the registration card that came with your oven. As a member, you can feel free to call the Sharp Kitchen if you have any questions, like converting an old favourite recipe for the microwave, for instance. Our team of home economists are always delighted to help, and we'll be sending you new recipes every 3 months if you wish.
So you can learn as you go along. You'll find out how microwave ovens work and learn about the features, the cookware and utensils you'll need, including tips on making do with what you have at home. We'll look at special techniques and helpful hints. We'll cover some of the questions people often ask about microwave cooking, and we'll do lots of cooking. Here I am in the Sharp test kitchen, and I'd like you to meet Janelle Bloom, Sharp's home economist.
Thank you. Themselves, what they are and how they work. Microwaves are high-frequency electromagnetic waves, similar to those that carry radio and television through the air to your receiver. Now moisture, and there's moisture in all food, loves microwaves. The microwaves actually excite the tiny molecules in the moisture until they vibrate at an incredible rate, so fast that they create heat right there in the food itself. And that heat then cooks the food.
That's why the oven doesn't get hot when you're microwaving. It doesn't get hot when you're microwaving. It's quite a blessing in summer. However, the dish you're cooking in may well get hot, thanks to the or spoiling. Sharp has a very wide range of microwave ovens to suit everyone's needs and pockets. The instruction manual, your warranty information, and special registration card. So,
if your oven has touch controls like this one, it will also have a digital display which will light up when you switch the power on.
High means the microwaves are operating 100% of the time. Medium means the microwaves operate 50% of the time, cutting in and out. You can see full power comes on at first and then cuts out. And then continues. It's just like turning the gas down on the stove.